In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to uppercase text in Microsoft Word. If you've ever typed a sentence in lowercase and later realized it needs to be in all caps, this quick method will convert it instantly without any retyping. Start by highlighting the text you want to change. You can click and drag your mouse across the words, or double-click a single word to select it quickly. If you need a whole sentence or paragraph, triple-click inside it to grab the entire block. For longer sections, click at the start, hold Shift, and click at the end to select everything in between. And if you want the entire document, use Select All so everything is included. Taking a second to confirm your selection helps avoid accidentally converting the wrong text. With the text highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the font group, look for the Change Case button. Its icon usually shows a small A next to a big A. Click that drop-down and choose Uppercase. The moment you select it, Word will convert only the text you highlighted into all caps. If you don't see the button because your window is narrow, try maximizing Word, or look for a small AA icon that reveals the same menu. The option is in the same place in most versions of Word, including Word for Windows, Word for Mac, and Word on the web, so the process will feel familiar no matter where you're working. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. Changing to uppercase. Here actually converts the letters, so the text will stay uppercase even if you copy and paste it elsewhere. If you change your mind, press Undo to revert immediately. If you only needed a few words capitalized for emphasis, consider selecting just those words before applying uppercase to keep the rest of the sentence readable. For speed, here's a handy keyboard tip. With text selected, pressing Shift plus F3 cycles through case options like lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize each word. It's great when you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard. If your formatting looks off after converting, that's usually because the new letter shapes take up different space. You can adjust spacing, font size, or line breaks as needed. And remember, this change affects only what you highlight, so you're always in control. That's all there is to it. Highlight your text, then choose uppercase from the Home tab's Change Case menu. It's simple, fast, and precise. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Word.